Something's Cooking with Alpa, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite Gujarati dessert recipes, which is also known as Lapsi or Fada Lapsi. It is made out of broken wheat and it has a very interesting texture to it, and that is why I love it. So I hope you also enjoy it as much as I do, and let's look at how we make this. And if you do like my recipes, please don't forget to subscribe and then click on that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as I upload a new recipe, and it's free, so why wait? And now let's go ahead. Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need half cup of dalia, which is broken wheat, half cup of sugar, which is shakkar, 1/3 cup of ghee, which is clarified butter, 8 to 9 almonds which are finely diced, elaichi powder, which is cardamom powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, and kishmish, which is raisins, about 8 to 10. And that is about it. So now let's begin our process. So in a heated kadai, let's add all of the ghee, which is clarified butter, and once it's little hot, let's add the dalia, which is broken wheat, and stir it for the next 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame, or until the dalia becomes brown. Once it has reached to this color, then I'm going to add the kismis, which is raisins, and stir for just about a minute, and then add 2 cups of water and mix it well. I just transferred it in a cooker, and now we are going to cook the dalia till the time we hear 2 whistles, and then we are going to turn the flame on low and then cook it for 5 minutes. Once the cooker has cooled down a bit, it's time to look if the dalia is fully cooked. So I'm going to pinch the dalia, and if it is soft, then it's nicely cooked. So guys, in our case, the dalia is perfectly cooked. Just in case if your dalia is not cooked, then just cook it for 5 more minutes, and if it has become dry, add a little bit more water so that it doesn't dry out. Now let's transfer it in the same kadai as before, and then add the sugar and mix it well and cook for the next 5 to 6 minutes, or until you start seeing the ghee, which is clarified butter, oozing out. The reason I cooked the lapsi in the kadai first, then transferred it in the cooker, and then again in the kadai is so that you can see it properly. If you wish, you can do the entire process in the cooker itself. Now after 5 to 6 minutes, let's add the elaichi powder, that's cardamom powder, and some almonds, and now mix it well, and now it's ready to serve. So I absolutely cannot resist it because it's my favorite. I am digging in. Amazing texture, amazing taste. It's no wonder this is one of my favorites. I cannot stop eating it or looking at it. It's just so absolutely amazing. You have to give it a try. I know you're going to enjoy it as much as I do, and I hope you enjoyed spending time with me. This is a recipe which makes me feel like, yes, I do enjoy Indian sweets because I'm more like a cake and a cookie person, but still when it comes to Indian sweets, this is one of my favorites. So I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and I will see you very, very soon. And if you did enjoy this recipe, I'm sure you're going to enjoy many more. So don't forget to subscribe. Just click on this button right here, right now. Just do it right now. And if you did enjoy this, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So don't forget to click on these links, and I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.